So, hello guys, welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit, and we're talking about this interesting, very interesting project called Bisat. And I hope कि ये जब आए and people see it, तारीफ जो चीज होता है उसका बरसात हो जाए आगे जाके. Let's welcome Omkar and Sandeepa over here. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me over here. It's a pleasure. I hope you guys are doing fine. First of all,
Thank you for having us. Yeah, it's a pleasure being here.
Thank you
yeah,
so
and
much.
it's a good thing, and it's interesting. First of all, सवाल में usually we have this thing called girls first, लेकिन मैं आपको पूछना चाहूंगा ओमकार. When I saw प्यार का पंचनामा 2, even earlier as well, you had this image of like being a cool dude, rock star, जिनको देख के girls fall in love with his charm. He doesn't even need to speak. Girls can just look and oh my god, that's the kind of charm that you had. So you're kind of breaking away from that image, I would say, because I've seen the trailer and it's looking quite intriguing, and I believe that's the purpose as well. But ये बोलना बहुत आसान होता है, करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. When you're talking about breaking an image and setting up a new thing on its own, it's very difficult. How did you actually manage to do that? And do you feel that you have managed to do that?
Well, if I've managed to do that, that I think the audience will be able to say on the 15th of April. I think
Yeah.
जब आप show देखेंगे.
Yeah.
But my attempt definitely was that to break that image. But
Yeah.
I think what helped me was mainly Vikram sir in the story.
Yeah.
जिस
Yeah.
हिसाब की कहानी थी और जिस हिसाब से एक रिलेशनशिप डायनामिक है और जितना कॉम्प्लेक्स है,
Yeah.
आई थिंक उस चीज ने डेफिनेटली मुझे थोड़ी सी हेल्प दे दी.
Yeah.
And thank you for all the kind words that you said. But definitely the idea is to keep reinventing, not just get stuck with one thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, the idea was to do what you're saying.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
hopefully,
Yeah. Absolutely. And मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वो हुआ हो. And Sandeepa, I'll move on to you for the next question. Obviously you are somebody. I think the last time we were talking about your song, it was quite interesting, and I remember you telling me कि आप airport से direct जाके you went for your rehearsals, and that's how you prepared for the song in just 1 or 2 days, which was not easy. And cut to that, you're doing this very serious role. I don't know how the things were timed out in reality, but in terms of the way they are being presented to the audience, I think it's quite an interesting phase for you. What do you have to say on that?
It is, yeah, in the sense that I'm primarily trying and doing as many different things as possible, even as
Yeah.
an
Yeah.
actor and as an entertainer.
Yeah.
So while I can do a series like Abhay, Mumbai, and Bisat, I can also do
Yeah.
a song like I did in Kagas. So
Yeah.
I'm like, I think versatility is what I'm aiming for, and
Yeah.
hopefully,
Yeah.
people will like what
Fingers
this.
crossed.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. The biggest factor, ये जो है behind this upcoming series of yours, I would say is Vikram Bhatt. That man is a genius. There are two types of script. One is कि जो written होता है या printed होता है, and दूसरा उनके दिमाग में होता है. That is the kind of personality. He's very clear about what he wants from his actors, and he tells it as well very clearly. When you have somebody like a Vikram Bhatt as a guiding force, telling you right from the very beginning, does it make things easier? Yeah, it adds to the pressure because he is Vikram Bhatt at the end of the day and not some, new director. I want to ask this question to both of you.
Um, in fact, not pressure, but in fact, it's a good,
Responsibility?
not responsibility, but I feel like when I signed on for this, I knew I
Yeah,
was in
yeah,
safe hands because he's the master
yeah,
of this genre.
yeah,
He's proved over and over again how he's so
yeah,
good at handling
yeah,
thriller. So I like, although I was getting myself into a role that I'd never done before, into a very very
yeah,
complex world.
yeah,
I
yeah,
also needed somebody to that I could fall back on, and Vikram
yeah,
was the perfect person to fall back on because you know that he's got your back. You know he
true.
comes with a lot of experience. He's
Yeah,
a creative genius. He writes
yeah,
brilliantly. And what
yeah,
is more exciting is the fact that I had never worked with him. I was always a Vikram Bhatt fan.
yeah,
Um, Now that I've worked with him, I have seen him how he takes these words from paper onto the
yeah,
visual
yeah,
medium. And
yeah,
that man's sense of vision and visuals is so stunning
yeah,
that it's something that one can learn from, and then you know why he is, what he is. There is
absolutely.
over 25 years of experience, and very very sensitive filmmaker, and such a pleasure working with him. He's taught me so much. I've learned so much from him, and I don't think Kiana, the character that I play, would have been ever possible if it was not for Vikram.
Yeah. What about you, Omkar? Because I mean, on one hand, you have somebody like Love Ranjan sir, who is, I think, pretty much quite different to the style of filmmaking that Vikram Bhatt sir believes in. So I think that's like poles apart from each other. Although you can tell better because you have worked with him. What was it like? Because you're getting to adjust yourself in a new environment altogether in terms of work. What was it like?
Well, the idea was to experience something out of your comfort zone. So with Vikram sir, because he's the master at thrillers and the twisted stories that he writes. So for me also it was that only a reason that let's try something like this also. So definitely there was a shift in it, but that is, I think, a job of an actor, I think, to keep taking those chances of challenging yourself and test and see whether you fall right or you fall wrong. So I think it was a new learning experience, a different curve. So it's good.
A lot of people, I mean, people who have known him or have met him personally will obviously agree with this. He might be the master of thrillers. He might be making the most, serious films, but he has got this very wacky sense of humor. I mean, when you talk to him, you know him, and when you get to meet him in person, you realize कि अरे यार ये तो ऐसा कुछ मजाक करके गए जो कि शायद you can't even imagine somebody like a Vikram Bhatt doing, and he will always keep the set entertained and alive. So what was it like in those situations when you used to do all that?
Tell me one thing, have you ever worked with him? Because you seem to know a lot about him.
I know him. I've met him a couple of times, and I kind of know him. We do speak at times. So I've not really worked with him in a project, but I do know him.
We work with him.
Yeah.
Yes, you are right. He jokes about this, but I have constantly laughed on the set when I'm not in a scene, of course. But he's got a wicked sense of humor. He's also joking around with people. I think it's also his way of keeping the environment very friendly and easy. He keeps a very easy set. There's no chillam chali, there's no screaming, there's no pressure on when you're shooting. It's a very easy, comfortable set. And it's primarily starts from from the director, because the way he keeps the set is how everybody's energies on set will be. And hence I feel like good work comes out because he keeps a very happy, comfortable set. And you're right, he's got an amazing, wicked sense of humor, and not many people get that sense of humor, but I was constantly in splits.
जितना time उनके साथ आप बिताओगे उतना समझ में आने लगेगा, and उतना it will get all the way more entertaining. What was it like for you, Omkar?
Well, apart from the
he shared some interesting jokes with you.
Yeah, he has so many of them. He's
got this bhandar.
He's an experience ka pura kitab in himself. He has three of them, from his personal life stories to his rendezvous with the love
people.
The kind of things that he's had and the journey that he's had, and he's open about it, and he's extremely unabashed about
very
it.
Honest.
Which is a great thing to see for a change. So I think he did share a lot of things. In fact, कि अरे ऐसा ही होता है, तुझे पता नहीं है, तुझे क्या समझेगा. So I think it was good. It was good to kind of imbibe a thing or two, learn a thing or two, especially about mature relationships through him.
Yeah. एकदम perfect guru आपको मिल गए, and I think he'll continue doing that in the future as well for you guys. We have talked a lot of serious stuff. We have already discussed, serious. So when the project comes out, we'll see. Now we have some fun questions for you guys. So let's make the environment a little more light and friendly. So I have this interesting never have I ever questions, and the questions, mashallah, मैं आपको कसम से बोलता हूँ, are very interesting and enjoyable. Who would like to start? Sandeepa or you?
Ladies first.
Ladies first. Okay, chalo. So yes, put you on the spot, Sandeepa. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So the first one, direct bouncer, first me. Never have I ever pretended to fake a call or text to leave a date in between. Have you done that?
Of course I have. Who hasn't? Everyone's done this.
Omkar's laughter is telling me he has done it as well. Omkar's laughter is telling me he has done it as well.
I'm sure you have done it as well.
अरे हाँ भाई, अभी क्या झूठ बोले? Everybody has done it. Okay. Never have I ever said I will call back, but I have never done that purposely. And बाद में बोल दिया कि अरे यार भूल गई या फिर भूल गया.
I'm guilty.
It's actually so fun. जितने बार आप हाथ उठाओगे उतना it makes it all the way more interesting. The next one, never have I ever gone on a date just to make someone else feel jealous. किया है क्या आपने कभी?
No, I think मैं अपना वक्त किसी और को जेलस करने के लिए बर्बाद क्यों करूंगा?
Only when you want to spend time, that is when you want to go. That's actually quite the spirit.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so
boring dates as well.
देखो dates तो हम लोग सोच के जाते हैं कुछ और वो हो जाता है boring बाद में if it doesn't go as per plan.
फिर हम ऐसे वो कॉल करते हैं जैसे पहले संदीपा ने कहा ना पहले
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाँ अरे यार यहाँ पे जाना है we have to leave, we have to go this that बहाने आ जाते तब तो. Okay. Never have I ever pressed the doorbell of someone's house and ran away randomly. किया है क्या दोनों में से आपने?
बहुत बार बचपन में तो
मैंने अभी भी किया है.
Full on swag. Okay.
I've knocked in hotel rooms. I have knocked doors 3-4 of them in a row and ran away in my room.
अरे बाप रे बाप क्या बात है. Loving this side, man. Never have I ever danced my heart out in the middle of the night all alone in my room. कोई नहीं देख रहा है दिल खोल के एकदम dance.
बहुत बार किया. बहुत
क्या
बार.
बात है. क्या बात.
Room everywhere. I have done.
Okay, chalo, let's take you guys back to your school and college. Never have I ever faked a medical reason to avoid going to school or college. झूठ मूठ का.
किया है हमने और क्या किया.
There are some very goody boys and girls who can't even imagine. अरे यार ये कैसे सोच भी कैसे सकते हो? So I'm very glad you are not in that line.
Totally.
Okay. The next one is never have I ever faked a laugh at a joke which I didn't understand. I love the honesty. And then you are like, even somebody tries to, ask you कि क्या हुआ, and then you are like behaving all funny. अरे यार तो हो गया. And you just try to find out ways to escape from the situation. Interesting. Second last question. ये बचपन में मैंने बहुत किया है. Never have I ever pretended to have eaten vegetables in front of my parents, but I've actually dumped it.
I haven't had to do all of it.
मेरे घर में सुबह पूछता था क्या बन रहा है, जो मेरी पसंद की सब्जी नहीं होती थी, अगर दूधी बन रही है या करेला बन रहा है तो मैं पड़ोसी के घर पर खाना चला जाता था.
When Parosi is there, why fear? That's the mantra I believe for you, and it's quite interesting. The last question before we wrap up. Never have I ever secretly used a friend's mobile in his or her absence to send ridiculous text to others. मैंने तो बहुत बार किया है. आप दोनों ने क्या किया है ये?
नहीं यार.
You're not that wicked.
नहीं. Like I don't like picking up somebody's phone without their knowledge and stuff like that. That I don't do.
नहीं, like it's like maybe something like your phone, your friend's phone is there and उसके किसी दोस्त को let's meet and then you like create those situations.
मैंने तो अपने फोन से गलत मैसेज गलत इंसान को भेजे.
That is even funnier.
It has happened with me.
Well, I hope the situation went out good for you and thank you so much, guys.
एक हफ्ता उसका भुगतान करना पड़ा था मुझे.
Chalo, let's just be happy about the fact it was just 1 week and not 1 month. Better be positive mentally. Kya baat hai. But good to see you guys all happy and excited. I wish you guys all the